Alright, so in respect to the lady I previously posted, the one where said they release her noodles where they cry. Well, I still sympathize with you, but as I was going through your page, I saw something where it be my own field. And I get problem with them. I go play the video for you. May una see am.
If you want your PJ to be, what do you call it? Slippery, slimy, and sweet. Come and buy this our set of Randarua. It will make you to be fucking wet and sweet. Send a massive stubborn belly fat. If you know you have this JoJo tank of a tummy and it's making you to lose shape, this is for you. It's for the upper arm and for stubborn belly fat. I used to have big belly fat, but not anymore. Before, people used to even think that I'm using waist trainer, but I'm not actually using any waist trainer. Yawa. Chicken who the one that shine correct on you say one of those had and 99 bullet. Inshallah, on card on and combo them by our day. Wallahi say they can Allahu Akbar.
Yeah, now see if you mix our product together, if they don't dope you after 1 hour, you're gonna shout Allahu Akbar. That is God is great. But let's take it back, right? So apparently this lady they sell products when they make toto they slimier. As you can see, I make sure they do like this for the starting. So your toto go they juicy. And person answer for our comment section saying at 4,000 naira. Now while I was looking at the product no get enough dark number, and also it is false advertising. How is it false advertising? She talks say that before she gets big tummy, but she get products where they make person belly flat. But for I know those where leak the video when I see, man, your belly big now, sister. Your belly big for there now. Your belly and your bobby self don't almost rhyme. I'm not trying to before they say person wants to start to the body shame person. No. Now, false advertising is my problem. You know, if you can advertise something, gather money, meanwhile, the truth is the truth. So I look at Bele for the noodles where leak. I still get the video. You don't understand. The Bele big. Now, she can't talk about, say, she get product again where they make person Bobby stand. My sister, I see your Bobby for the video now. My sister, they look slippers. You understand? They look shoe. Like you literally face ground. I mean, all Bobby face ground, but the way they explain for your product and what you said, like say the Bobby go just do like this, like you go want to challenge you. You don't understand? But this one actually they look ground. So it is for the advertising. So as you cry, I sympathize with you. But you go try and make a dark number. You call verydarkman, oh, for justice. Justice. Now for all round, justice for the people when they collect money from their hand, they advertise all these products when now false advertisement, of course. You understand? Now as for women, this thing of say to they see. Now this toto way when they talk about say they will give you something where go make you they wet. If you don't like the man, you don't go wet. You understand? If you don't like the man, you don't go wet. Once woman see man where like, if the man does well like this, brrr, everywhere don't melele. Everywhere. Now, if the man now come be like a legendary horse, or then Dracula then, you can't use the man pack and or then Dracula, you go pack all the old Leomo. You don't understand? But if the person not be Dracula, the person I Frankenstein, you just go straight, frankly straight, just straight to the point, frankly. That time you come the hear, you know, if the thing come like wet, right? According to you say the woman like the man, sound is always very different, you know. Now, except if you don't like the man, now you go to wait. Take it out. Wait first. Put your speed. That is if you don't like the man. Or sometimes you feel like the man you dey stress, the juice no can really come out. But anyways, let's not digress. Madam, it is false advertising. So I will carry your products, or I will send NAFDAC, go meet you. Now, all those products where you display, no get NAFDAC number. So if you possibly start to sell something where if you give person cancer, and because in a not, a lot of people feel just buy, people go to a normal thing. Plenty of now for that place. Now one is bleaching cream, keep people for there. And all this one are products, kaya matter, all this nonsense you want to say when they say. I beg, go and get your NAFDAC registration number. No let me buy the products first. I'll give you grace because you dey cry. Say they release your noodles. I'll give you grace. If you let me send somebody come your office, go buy them. I can't get evidence. I can't carry them on myself. Reach NAFDAC. It's a problem. Oh. Don't lock your shop. Oh. Better do the needful. Else you go and learn and you will learn the hard way.